Okay, so we're going to look at 6.6 today, and I've already started a little bit of it. And it's modeling with arrays. We already know how to do this. We know what arrays are. We know what they look like. We know how to make them. So an array, remember, array is a set of blocks, or it could be anything that's lined up in rows and columns to make a problem. So it says we can use array models to find division and find equal groups. Count out 30 tiles and make sure the arrays, or make an array that has 5 rows, or how many rows are in 5 of 30. So let me fix this real quick. And let me just erase straight down. So we know rows are on top, columns are down the side. Okay. So right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 rows and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I skip count, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, I know this whole thing equals 30. So we have 5 rows of 6 columns, and we know that's going to be 5 times 6, or 6 times 5. So once we did that, how many rows of 5 did we make? We made 6 rows of 5 to make 30. And explain how you use the tiles to find the number of rows in 5. We have to count across, we have to count down the side, okay? We count down the side to show how many rows. Or we count down the side of the array. So we have to count down the side of the array. So we made our 5, and then we count down. We have 1 row, 2 row, 3, 4, 5. We have 6 rows. So we count down the side. What multiplication equation could you make? Well, that's simple. 5 times 6 equals 30. That's 5 across, 6 down, and we know that equals 30. And then if you want to do 6 rows in 30, it would just be 6 across and 5 down, because we know 5 times 6 and 6 times 5 are the exact same. That's called the commutative property, okay? 5 times 6 and 6 times 5 will always equal the same. I'll give you guys a quick second to copy that down. All right. So now it says we want to write a division problem to show how many rows of 5 are in 30. Show the array you made to investigate. So look, they've already started 5 across, and we know we got to go 6 down. So we filled it in, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we know they're all equal. So we know there's 30 total, and there's 5 rows. So now there's 6 rows of 5. So 30 divided by 5 is 6. And remember, this is a fact family. 5 times 6 equals 30. 6 times 5 equals 30. We also can do 30 divided by 5 equals 6, or 30 divided by, you don't have to write this, 6 equals 5. All these have the same numbers, okay? Now it says count out 24 tiles. Make an array to show the number of tiles in 4 rows. Place 1 tile in each of 4 rows. Then continue placing 1 tile until you use all your tiles. So we have 24. They already started giving us our rows. So we have to count 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're not at 24 yet. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So now look, We have 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So how many tiles are in each row? 6 tiles. What division problem? So what's our total? What is our total? If we have 24 total and we've made 4 rows, there's going to be 6 in each row. (24) divided by 4 is 6. Now, this one says how many rows of 3 are in 18? Well, let's just flip it. We're going to do 18 divided by 3. Okay. We could do our whiteboard, and let's do the whiteboard for this one. Let me see if I can clear it like that. So, come on, work. It might work, it might not. Let's go back to how I did it. Right here. Oh, it's not going to work. Okay, so if we have 3, I'm going to do it right here. 1, 2, 3. We got to count to 18. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Let's pretend they're all straight. So we have 3 down and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 across. So I know 18 divided by 3 is going to be 6. Okay. Big eraser. It's not going to work. All right. How many rows of 6 are in 12? So we have 12 divided by 6. So if we do 6 down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, do another row, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's 2. 1, 2. How many rows of 7 are in 21? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 1, 2, 3. So it's 21 divided by 7 equals 3. How many rows of 8 are in 32? So it's 32 divided by 8. Count down 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, you guys don't have to make all these dots or all these circles or and such. I just want to model how I would want you to do it. So we have 25 tiles in 5 rows. So it's 25 divided by 5. Let me pull up a multiplication chart for this one. We can make some arrays. Let's make the arrays. So 5 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 14 in 2 rows. So it's, we mark a line. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oop. So it's 14 divided by 2. Remember, the big number's always first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 28 into 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So 1, 2. So it's 28 divided by 4. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well, 7. Let me make better division, Sean. Next one, 27 divided by 9. So we have 9 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So there's 3 rows. The reason I can do it like this is because it saves room right now. But if when we get back in person, we're going to be using blocks, using our whiteboards, and actually drawing these out to make them a little bit evener, okay? Tell how you could use an array to find how many rows of 8 are in 40. It's a simple. Make a row of 8. Just like we did. We would first off make our first row of 8. Then count equal, or then count to 40, comma, 8 rows a time. 8 rows at a time. So we just make our, like we did, we made our first row like a 4, and then we kept making rows of 4 till we got to our number. We made a row of 9. We counted row 9 till we got to 27. So we'd make our row of 8, then count to 40, 8 rows at a time. So it would be 8 down, and then 16, 24, 32, 40. Make a row of 8, then count to 40, 8 rows at a time. It says show 2 ways you can make an array with tiles for 18 divided by 6. Square the shaded on the grid and record the arrays. So let's start the first one. We're going to count 6 down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to use this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6. And then 6 plus 6 more is 12. Plus 6 more is 18. So that's what we need. We would need 6 rows of 3. So 18 divided by 6 would be 3. Or I could do 3 rows. 1, 2, 3 of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we have 3 down and we have 6 across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it'd be 18 divided by 3 equals 6. Or let's not do that one. Okay. Thomas has 28 tomato seedlings to plant his garden. He wants to plant 4 seedlings in each row. How many rows of tomato seedlings will Thomas plant? What do we need to find? How many rows of tomato seedling will Thomas plant? It's this last sentence. What do we need to find? How many rows of tomato seedlings will Thomas plant? What operation could we use to solve this problem? Division. We're going to use division. Let's draw an array to find. So we know we have 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we got to count to 28. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So we have it to equal 28. And what is another way we could have solved the problem? We could have done it multiplication, which is 4 times what equals 28. Okay, you could do division or multiplication. We know 4 times what's across, or we're at multiplication right here. And we know that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rows. So Thomas has how many tomato seedlings? He has 28. He wants to plant blank seedlings in each. Wait. Oh, he wants to plant 4 seedlings in each row. How many rows will he plant? Well, we know that's going to be 7 because he has 4 and he has 7 across. All right. Number 12. There were 20 plants sold at the store on Saturday and 30 plants sold at the store on Sunday. Customers bought 5 plants each. How many customers bought plants? So they sold 20 and 30. So they sold 50 plants. Well, if each one bought 5, it's going to be 50 divided by 5. And what times 5 makes 50? Or if you skip count 5 to 50, you're going to get 10 plants. The next one. Paige walked her dog 15 times in 5 days. She walked him the same number of times each day. How many times did Paige walk her dog each day? So she walked her dog 5 times for 5 days. So let's do 5 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here's 5. Let's skip count 5 to 15. 5, 10, 15. So we have 5 down and 1, 2, 3. 3 across. So 3 times a day. This would be day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, and it's once in the morning, in the midday, and in the afternoon. Let me draw an array to show. This one, I'm gonna do 7 with you. So draw an array to show 20 chairs in 5 rows. Well, let's make our 5 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's just count to 20. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we have 5 rows of 4, which equal 20. Explain what each part of the array represents. 5 means the row. 4 is the number of rows. And 20 is the total. So 5 row, 4 is the number of rows, and 20 is the total. So we have 20 divided by 5 equals 4. or you could have 20 divided by 4 equals 5, or you could have 4 or 5 times 4 equals 20, or you could have 4 times 5 equals 20. That's a huge fact family. They're all like related. So if you need to pause it on that one, go ahead. I will put the lesson check on the Schoology. Remember, if the lesson check, sometimes some of these questions might be a little bit different. So make sure you double check if you do it on your paper, then turn it over to your Schoology. Make sure the questions do match up. All right. Finish the front, and on that, you guys should be good to go. Have a good one.